Hi guys, postman's been. Somebody sent me a package. Yes, okay. Much bigger package than I was expecting. Much bigger. £34.92 postage. Yeah, okay. Well, thank you very much, my friend. Before we open the main box, on the end there's a little extra he did for me. Right, some 3D printed parts. In here somewhere. There they are. Right. Is there more? No, that's just the sticky tape. Right. Oh, there is one more. There is one more. Two more. Hang on, how are they in there? There they are. Oh gosh, he got carried away printing them, didn't he? Right, well I better go and show you what they're for. They are to go on there. The steering linkage just there. Bring it up a bit closer. That steering linkage is broken, so I drew it up on a CAD design, and that is to go in there. So we'll find out whether that works, won't we? I won't do that now, we'll do that later on a separate video. But that'll be interesting to see if that works. I designed it a slightly different shape to the one that's there, but I think it will still work. So put that away. In fact, I'll put them over there, out of the way. Now let's see what he's put in the box. He's a bad boy. This was only supposed to be some propellers for the boat. I think there was something else, but I can't remember what else it was. He certainly likes his packaging. Right, I can see we've got another label on it on this side, which I don't want you to see because it's got my address on it. Okay. When we were chatting about this, we were joking about him emptying his shed and sending it all to me. I thought we were joking, but I think he did. If I pull that up, yeah, that'll be alright, won't it? Oh gosh. Oh, I can see what that is. Oh, you bad boy. Can you see what that is? Yeah, a couple of propellers. Yeah, okay. Oh dear. SEMA with camera. SEMA X5C. Okay. Looks like he's had a few of these, doesn't it? SEMA X5C. SEMA X5C, yeah, that's an empty one. But we've got another camera. Okay, let's go through the bits a bit at a time. Looks like he's emptied his toilet roll. Okay. Yep, that's empty. What do I see flick out there? Propeller. That's what I was after. Oh, I'm going to have to be careful there aren't any chucked in those bits. What have we got? Oh, look at that. Grandad is an old man. Okay, and a propeller. I've got to be so careful there isn't stuff tucked away in these bags. Bags inside bags. Are these dog poo bags? Oh, this is most of another drone, isn't it? Oh dear, oh dear. Or is that... That's twin pushers. Cool. Got some good motors in there. Charger. Servo. He did empty his shed. Servo. Leads. Peltier tile. I was using one of them the other day. That's a receiver off of something. QW5A. Pinion gear for a motor of some sort. That's going to be off a quadcopter, isn't it? Yeah, that's off a little quad. Okay. Up here for now. Next bag. Right, Another Grandad. And a few more little propellers. Oh, that's supposed to be the dog bone for the steering arm on the thing I was doing. God, we've got some tiny propellers there. Right, they're going to need a bit of tidying up. Well, we'll put him separately for now. Are we still recording? Yeah, we are at the moment. What's in this one? Oh dear. Another load of those dog bones. And a big Grandad. Oh no, we've got more in there. You know. Is that one empty? Yes, that one's empty. That one's empty. That one's got something tucked in it. Alright. That's some little project of some sort, isn't it? That's a microphone, I think. It's got 3 wires on it. Put that back in there. It's got something else wrapped up. Oh, hang on. That feels heavy. Nice rubber band. Rubber band cars. What's this? Oh, more motors. Okay, that one's got a little cross on it. That one's got paint on it. A221213T, 1000 kV, 1000 kV. Can't quite make that one out because it's got stuff on it. That's another 1000 kV. Put it in there for a minute. Right, what's this one? Battery's going to run out on the camera in a second. We might just get this open. All right. Now these were for my little action camera, mini action camera. Let's grab that. Right, the idea with this is that's going to sit in there like that. Look at that, perfect fit. So I can still access the buttons. And then this is to be strapped to a kite. The idea is I'm going to drill a hole through here. So that goes on the spar of the kite, and some rubber bands around these bits sticking out. And that'll hold it rigid on the kite, facing out, so we can do a bit of kite aerial photography. But look at that, perfect fit. Absolutely lovely. Well, that was where our conversation started. I was looking at this and see whether it'd actually print. Absolutely brilliant. So, and a good size rubber band. Just check there's nothing else is loose in there. Can we put this anywhere where we can see it? Even just those cameras on their own could be fun, because I've got another little mini quad that's got that connector on it to plug a camera into it. Well, thanks buddy. Way more than I expected. I appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.